Hey everyone! If you do any kind of PC building, furniture assembly, or DIY repairs, you know how frustrating it can be to deal with tiny screws in tight, awkward spaces. That's why I was so impressed with this 42-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver set. It has become my go-to tool for so many projects. From the moment you open the compact case, you can see the quality. You get 40 different S2 steel bits, both short and long, all conveniently color-coded so you can find the right one instantly. The ergonomic aluminum handle is lightweight but rugged, and the magnetic tip is a huge plus, holding on to screws securely so you don't have to worry about dropping them in a tight spot. But the real magic is the flexible ratcheting handle. It has this effortless 58-tooth ratchet mechanism that saves you so much time and effort, and you can reconfigure the handle into a T-shape, which is an absolute game changer for getting leverage in those really cramped corners where you can't get a full turn. It's an incredibly versatile and thoughtful design. So, my final thoughts? I am absolutely thrilled with this little kit. If you're a PC builder, a drone enthusiast, or just anyone who needs a reliable and versatile screwdriver set for projects around the house, I can't recommend this enough. It's well made, incredibly functional, and just makes tricky jobs so much simpler.